Good morning. If you're middle-aged or older, you remember when China's biggest cities looked like this. And for us, especially seeing modern China for the first time is a shock to our system. We're just not used to it. China today has more skyscrapers, buildings over 150 meters, than any other country. In fact, more than the next 11 countries combined. For buildings over 300 meters, again, more than the rest of the world combined. I tried to find out how many buildings China put up which were over 10 floors, and it's in the tens of thousands. Over 5 floors, the estimate is in the millions. This is a country that had almost 0 tall buildings just 30 years ago and somehow built millions of them, even though nobody here had ever seen a tall building before. Your country is building lots of tall buildings and you need lots of elevators. In 2002, China installed 25,000 elevators across the country. In 2019, they put in 600,000. By 2020, China was the biggest elevator market in the world. 2/3 of all the elevators in 2020 are installed here. What is this?
Bu bo'lsa bizning shu Zhuhai proyektidan chiqib
This is a digital monitoring for our productions.
Анда бу Чонгосларга нисбatan аң чоң шичаңларыңларга исәпләнде, ләкин анда сез Зои Шәһәвәдәм дәхшән шозонҗен булган дигән сезнең анда илгирешеңез, сезнең башка ярдән хезмәтләрегез кандай чишү түйдең бу хыялада.
Biz dövlət bilan, yəni dövlətdən sırf bizənə Ukraynaga, Rossiyaga, Afrikaga, Saudiya, O'rta Sharqqa, Guangdongga, Namey, Dunaylarga biz hammaga chiqamiz.
I wanted to come back to the spot, the testing tower, to point out some things. Most of us outside China had never heard of Foshan city in Guangdong province. That big facility behind me is Nissan and Isuzu. Volkswagen is over there. This factory zone is heavy industry and machinery. 20 miles that direction is a different factory zone where 30% of all the furniture made in the world is built by over 8,000 manufacturers. About 50 miles also in that direction is Xinjiang, where over 90% of all the world's electronics come from. This is one of hundreds of heavy machinery factories within this zone, and this zone is one of over 100 of other zones just in Guangdong. This company didn't exist 20 years ago, but today they build elevators for mines and for power companies and for tens of thousands of apartment buildings across the world. 40 years ago, Shenzhen, the city, did not exist, and today they build all the world's electronics. It's hard to believe, even when I'm here, to see and understand it all, and it's harder still to explain to people who aren't here. But we are trying. This is Zhuhai. Be good.